Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is another video of ED education. So today I'm going to talk about a very good topic. Many students are messaging me and asking about this official website of Study in Korea, where they have mentioned that the available options in university you have like 4-year courses. Okay, so the programs which are exceeding the duration of 4 year, they will not be supported. So I have messaged, I have replied them that these like this website is not updated yet. That's why this is given like 4 year course. But if you will see the application form which was released in the month of September this year, you can actually see that they have mentioned clearly that medicine is supported by GK scholarship from this year. So to prove that, we should go in the option of that application form. So from here, from the search box, I'm going to that option, that application form which was released in the month of September. So oh my god, where I am. मैंने गलती से दोबारा वही ऑन कर दिया है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे जाके स्कॉलरशिप्स एंड scholarship option, right? Scholarship, and then we will click on this GKS notice. Yes, GKS notice. Yeah, okay, so we'll scroll down now and to the number, it is 237. Here you can see that it was released in the month of September, that is 2022 Global Korea Scholarship for undergraduate degrees. We will click on this option and now we will get that application form, I guess. Scroll. Yes, here you can see that there is application guideline in English and in Korean. So we will click in application guideline in English, and I have already downloaded this PDF when it was released, so I already have it. So I'm gonna open my already downloaded PDF, and if you want to download, you can download it from here. Now this is the uh, guideline which I have since many months. So if you will get like more down and down, you can see page number 3 that here it is given that associate degree and bachelor degree program is 1 year for Korean language training and 4 to 6 year for degree program. And here it is also mentioned that it is for architecture and medicine are newly added, like they have specifically mentioned that it is newly added from 2022. So now I guess you can all trust me that medicine is the newly added one, and it is supported by GK scholarship from this year. I don't know about future, but right now, this year it was in the option, and here it was given like everything about the scholarship. So if you are planning to apply for the scholarship, you can read all this thing. And now we will see one more proof I want to give, that availability of the university, that medicine course is available in which university. Okay, we have to see that. So here from like you can see in the guideline, it is given that what are the universities which are available for associate degree or university track and embassy track. And in embassy track you already only have one university, that is Seoul National University, which supports medicine. So now we are back to the GKS notice page, and here from here you can download the universities, like list of universities which are available in GKS. And here you can also find all the courses which are supported by particular university. Also there is application form, so if you are planning to apply, you can download the application form. But right now I'm just talking about the medicine and like availability of the course in which university. So we'll talk about just university information. Okay, so there are two university. One is Seoul National University and one is Seoul National Science and Technology University. There are two PDF given. So you have to download this Seoul National University because medicine is provided from Seoul National University. So like in Seoul National University, not in Seoul National Science and Technology. Now it is written in Korean and English both language, so we will come to English language. You can see that Seoul National University and all the introduction and everything is given here. Like if you are planning to apply for the scholarship, you should read all this guideline very carefully. Now we are just here to see the availability of the courses, and like, is medicine actually supported in GKS and in Seoul National University. So here there is list of colleges like College of Humanity, College of Science, Social Science, College of Natural Science. Students get confused among this College of Natural Science and College of Social Science, because seeing that word science, that maybe medicine will be supported in these college, but it's not true. In abroad, or especially in Korea, you can see the College of Medicine. So you have to find for College of Medicine undergraduate. So here at the end you can see second last that it is given College of Medicine. So this is the place where you have to apply. This is the course name which you have to write in your application form. Okay, not College of Science, College of Natural Science, College of Nursing, College of blah blah, nothing. You have to write College of Medicine. So I hope after seeing these proofs and after seeing these PDF files, you have got a sort of, proof that medicine is actually supported by GK scholarship from this year, like 2022. It is also mentioned in the GKS application form. Then this Seoul National University available courses. Okay, so now I guess this is more than enough, and I guess the website is not fully updated. That's the reason that on the main profile of the Study in Korea website, it's still given that the course duration is just of 4 year. बट हम बहुत स्मार्ट है, एंड अगर मेन प्रोफाइल से नहीं तो कहीं ना कहीं और से तो पता कर ही लेंगे. सो लाइक दिस इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ से आपको पता चल सकता है दैट मेडिसिन कोर्स इज़ सपोर्टेड इन GK स्कॉलरशिप. And to be specific, from this year, like this year onwards, 2022 is the year that GK scholarship has started to support medicine course. Now talking about future, we can't say that will GK scholarship continue to support medicine or not, but we have to do fingers crossed, and we have to wait for next year's scholarship guideline, and I hope that medicine will continue to be in the list of GK scholarship. So yeah, this is the end of my video, and I hope this is useful for all of you guys and I have helped you, and I also hope that you all will help more students out there. So please share this video with those who need this video and this information, and with those who are planning to apply for GK scholarship in future. So yeah, that's it, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Love.